Hey guys, Jason Roberts and Rachel Schneider, REI Blueprint. We are wrapping up a 5-video series here, and this one is about closing the deal.
Getting paid.
Getting paid. I think the number one thing that we hear from new investors is...
Where are they going to find the money?
Yeah, where's the money going to come from,
Or how do
right?
they take the deal down, right? Because you don't always need money to take a deal down.
Yeah, but I think our concern too going into it was like, okay, it's great that they're going to teach us how to find all these deals, but when we find a house for $100 grand, I don't have $100 grand.
Right.
You know what I mean? And so how are we going to do that? My first mentor said to me, find the deal and the money will show up. And I said, yeah, that's real easy for a guy with an 800 credit score that's got money in the bank, that's flipped a couple hundred houses. Like, I'm wiped out. I'm Chapter 7 bankrupt at the time. I'm homeless, basically. I mean, things were in a bad place for both of us.
Absolutely.
And so going to a bank and getting a loan was far from an option. And we kind of had to go out on blind faith. But we're going to show you guys not only how to find the money, but how to put the deal together so that people with money will want to give it to you. And this isn't like about your credit score and about your income. It's 100% deal based, and it is not hard. If you find a good deal, you'll actually have a line of people willing to give you the money, but we need to show you where to find them.
And this could be other investors want to give you the money and kind of go in on a joint venture with you. This could be people who that's what they do for a profession is lend money, hard money lender. Private money, you know, someone that you know that really doesn't want to be involved in the deal, but they'd like to make a little bit of a return. And sometimes this person is the seller or the homeowner that's willing to work something out with you as well. So you got to think outside of the box with a lot of this, but what you do have to do is know and believe that it doesn't matter what your personal financial situation is. If the deal is a deal, the money is always there.
That's right. So we're going to put you in contact with the people that have the money and are willing to loan on the deals when you get them. So click the link below. Make sure you register, guys. This is our last video on this series, and this is coming up really, really quick. So get registered now. I promise this will change your life. I promise this will have a significant impact on you, but you've got to show up. You've got to come. We hope to serve you. Thank you, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.
Bye, guys.